Vertex and Microsoft have partnered for over a decade to deliver best-in-class solutions that remove barriers to commerce growth. Our comprehensive suite of global indirect tax solutions for Microsoft Dynamics 365 seamlessly automates compliance across finance and supply chain, commerce, Business Central, and sales, with continued support for Dynamics GP and AX. As the first tax provider chosen by Microsoft to integrate with their new Universal Tax Rate API, Vertex offers even more flexibility and control. With Vertex and Microsoft Dynamics, businesses can improve tax accuracy in reporting, manage exemptions, and streamline tax operations while boosting efficiency across tax, finance, and IT teams to maintain continuous compliance with evolving regulations. Discover how Vertex and Microsoft can help your business transact, comply, and grow with confidence. To get started, reach out today.